So we've already discussed cutting out a line in your linoleum print, but cutting an area requires some special thought and attention. You can see that this block has been carved into at will by someone, and in the top right corner here we have an area that has really been attacked and looks terrible. This is what you should not do. Blocks that look like this tend to print like this. When this area gets inked, no matter how many times you carve it in every which direction, there's always going to be dots that are going to pop up and catch the ink and look bad. Instead, what you should do is begin carving around your outline like you would with a good marker coloring. So you'd start with a nice, sharp, crisp outline. I'm using a number 2 blade, and then take out the area in parallel strokes. So for this circle, I'm going to upgrade to a slightly larger blade and then do straight lines next to each other to take out the area of this circle. That way, if I do happen to have ink catch one of those ridges where it's not supposed to, at least those lines will end up looking nice and even, kind of like in this example. So you can see in this print the artist has embraced the qualities of a linoleum print instead of trying to hide every possible stray ink mark, and the lines in the sky or that stream by the horse's nose only stand to enhance the texture of the print instead of distract from it. So that same concept would apply to something like wavy water lines, even though they wouldn't technically be parallel because they're not straight. If you run your lines next to each other when you're carving out a large area, like I'm going to remove the whole left side of this block, those wavy lines will help to create that sense of texture. And if some ridges catch some ink, then it'll actually make my water in this design look cool and interesting and have some texture.